In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all pages in Canva. When you're working on a design in Canva, especially something with multiple pages like a presentation, a workbook, or a multi-page document, it's really helpful to see all of your pages at once. This makes it easier to navigate, rearrange your content, and keep track of the overall flow of your design. Canva gives you a simple way to do this with a single click. First, make sure you have your design open in the Canva editor. You can do this by logging into Canva, going to your recent designs, or creating a new one, and then opening it so that you're in the main editing screen. This is where you see your canvas in the center and the toolbar around it. Now, look toward the bottom area of the screen. Depending on your device and screen size, you'll see a strip that shows a small preview of your current page, and if you have more than one page, you'll see additional page thumbnails there as well. Right in that lower section, there is an icon that allows you to show all pages. This icon usually looks like a small grid or a stack of rectangles, indicating multiple pages. Go ahead and click on that Show All Pages icon. The moment you click it, Canva will expand the view and display all of the pages in your design in a grid layout. In this All Pages view, you can scroll through every page quickly. This makes it much simpler to jump to the page you want to edit. Just click on any page thumbnail, and Canva will take you straight to that page in the main editor. Another advantage of showing all pages is that you can rearrange them. If you need to change the order of your pages, click and hold on a page thumbnail in this view, then drag it to a new position. When you release it, the page will move to that new spot in the sequence. If you are working on a presentation, this is a great way to check that your slides follow a logical order. For documents or ebooks, it helps you see if any sections are out of place or if you need to add transition pages. When you're done managing your pages, you can simply click on a page to return to normal editing, or close the All Pages view using the same icon if it toggles back. And that's all there is to it. By using the Show All Pages icon at the bottom of the Canva editor,